Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group here with my review of $100 a day blueprint, which launched on the 12th of August at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. In this review, I'm going to go through this new release from Malaysian marketer Mohanraj, which shows you three simple steps to create three-figure daily profits with 100% free tools. So this is very much a product that's aimed at newbie internet marketers. It's a straightforward product at a low price, and it includes 4 training videos, so showing you how this method works. It's as simple as that, so this isn't going to be a long video, folks, but like a lot of things, all these newbie friendly techniques that teach a slightly different method are always worth picking up. So if this sounds like it's something that's of interest to you and that you are struggling to hit that $100 a day figure right now, then listen on to this review video. I'll also go through the bonuses, custom bonuses that I've put together if you decide to pick up $100 a day blueprint from the link immediately underneath this review video. There are 5 of them, and you can get them by clicking on any of these green buttons here at any time before this countdown timer reaches 0, at which point they'll expire. And as usual, folks, I don't want that to happen because they are custom bonuses, which means they're exclusive to me. Having said that, do feel free to go and see what others are offering with their copies of $100 a day blueprint, because of course you can always come back to this page, back to this YouTube video, when you realize that the bonuses that I'm offering are a little bit special. So what is $100 a day blueprint? It's a newbie-friendly, simple profit system that creates 3+ figure daily profits with using 100% free tools. So you don't need to pay anything for this method. The sales video is both here and on my bonus page, so it's up to you where you watch it. It just explains that Mohanraj basically was completely stressed out from his 9-to-5 job and actually had to quit after having a nervous breakdown. So it was a really stressful job. But anyway, because of that, he needed to rebuild his life, and he did that through internet marketing. And by utilizing this technique, it got him to the stage where he could, replicate the income that he lost from losing his day job. So, the method consists of 3 profit machines that enables anyone to create multiple streams of income. It's a hassle-free system without any paid tools or services. You can start earning from the comfort of your home, as indeed Mohanraj had to. 0 experience or technical skills needed. Scale your income, and it's a 100% ethical system. So it's, as I said, it's a very short sales page. You basically, the only thing to this that it's not hypey. He's not that sort of marketer. You log in and watch the step-by-step videos, use the methods, and get profits on a daily basis. That is all there is to it, folks. So what is included in my custom bonuses? So when you click on the link underneath, you'll come through to this page here. You will see this recording that I'm just making. This is the overview of the system that we've just gone through, and this is the sales video from Mohanraj, which you should watch. Let's just watch the start of it.
Are you suffering from work stress? Do you wish to escape from 9-to-5 rat race?
Okay, so as you can see, it's like a PowerPoint type presentation, which you can watch. And these are my bonuses. So if you pick up $100 a day blueprint, the first thing that I will give you is 10 websites where you can earn $100 a day from in 2019. So increasing the number of different ways that you can get to this figure, that elusive figure. I think it is a significant figure for internet marketers. Certainly from my own point of view, it's the first target that I aim for every day is $100. I mean, my personal minimum target is 200, but obviously it's a bad day if I don't hit that 100. That is like the benchmark figure. It's pretty much 3,000 a month, and that is a basic income, isn't it, for anyone? I think most people, 3,000 a month, 36,000 a year is probably a typical salary job. So that's why that's such a crucial figure. It's a job replacing income. The second bonus tutorial is from Jono Armstrong, and guess what he's teaching? Yes, how to make $100 a day with free traffic. See where we're going here, folks. So this is another way that you can achieve that elusive three-figure figure. The next one is a great little talk from Grant Cardone. It's actually a presentation that he made to his workforce on 5 steps to becoming a millionaire. You'll really enjoy this, folks. A lot of good content in there. Internet marketing for beginners. Obviously, this product is aimed at newbies, so I'm guessing that you're probably fairly new to your internet marketing journey if you're going to pick this up. So I'm going to throw in this 1.5 hour training on all the basics of internet marketing. And finally, lazy profit explosion, just a slightly different technique here, a system that teaches you how to make profits of up to 10k a month using this lazy method. So they are my 5 custom bonuses, folks. And that is pretty much that. So let's go back to the sales page. As I said, not a great deal to it. You can see the little funnel here. Discover the 3 profit machine to generate income. No experience necessary. Unlock the number 1 fear that's been holding you back and empower yourself to overcome any and all obstacles. Find out how you can set up your online active income machine quicker than you ever thought possible. Easily overcome your biggest fear and turn $100 blueprint into the best investment you've ever made. And learn how to create multiple sources of income in a short period. If you take action today, you'll gain instant access to some fast action bonuses. Now, they're not actually on here, folks, but they are on the sales video. So if you watch the sales video, you'll see that there are 3 vendor bonuses that Mohanraj is offering. Have a look at the video. It's only 4 minutes long, folks, and you will see at the end of that the 3 custom bonuses that Mohanraj is offering. He's also offering a 60-day guarantee. The standard for Warrior Plus is 30 days, but he's going the extra mile. So he's actually giving you a 60-day money back guarantee if you don't like this for some reason. All you have to do is click on the add to cart button there, folks, and the price will be, I think, $7.97 is the launch price. $7.97. And there is Mohanraj at the bottom of the page. So very cheap product. There's only one upsell, folks, and the upsell is $27. And it is a course on Facebook, essentially. Yeah, so it's a top earning course, how to monetize Facebook. So that is the only upsell for $27. So you can pick the whole funnel up of this one and have change out of $40. So it's not a high cost product at all. So that's pretty much it, folks. If you want to pick it up with all these extra bonuses, said this wouldn't be a long review, just click on any of these green buttons here. That'll bring you through to the sales page. Click on add to cart. You'll get my, obviously, 5 bonuses plus the 3 bonuses from Mohanraj. Then you'll just come back into your members area at Warrior Plus, click on the green button to access your copy of $100 a day, and then click on the blue button to access my custom bonuses. Nice little product, this. Nice release from a new product launcher to the scene. We wish him luck with this. As I said, it's a steal at under $8. It's always worth trying out these new methods. And the great thing with this as well, you've got a 60-day money-back guarantee. So, you can try it out for about 6 weeks. And if you're not getting results, I guess you could still ask for your $7 back. I suppose you'd be a little bit tight, but but never mind. That option's there for you. So that's pretty much it, folks. All that remains, as ever, is for me to thank you for watching and listening to this review video. This has been Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of $100 a day blueprint.